again. It's only of one lift. But it's in the train museum in York. There's my dad. So let's call it lift. Very weird lift, Ben. I love it. Dad's coming in with me. So let's press 1. Let's just wait for the doors to close. 1. And
What make is this lift, Sam?
it's Weissenkral. If you heard that lift, but it's rubbish. I don't like it. But anyway, let's wait for the doors to close in this rather beautiful lift. Let's call it back again. It's a bit shaky, but let's do that. Boom, it's a bit shaky, but look. Sometimes you think you're stuck in it. There's my dad. And there we go. Now, if we go up in the stairs, we can now test the call feature. There it is. My dad tricking me. Because if he is, that's annoying. But as you can see, I think it, yep, there's a motor just stopped there. But let's call it. So, let's call button. And get this on camera. Hi. I was trying to test the call feature, Dad. Tell you what, I'll go back down and try to do the call feature without my dad messing around with it.
You've got to press.
Yeah, don't go in there. Don't go in there. Right, just stay in there, okay? Don't press any buttons. Now, go down. My dad should be coming down. And hello.
Okay.
Right, anyway, will you test the call feature from the top? I'll be in there, okay?
Okay.
Flat. It's shaky when it starts. But this lift is cool. I love it.
Lifts and playing all day.
That's that, and
Right, let's stop now, Sam.
okay, so that's
Press stop.
that, and so
Stop.
I'll say bye.